Hi everyone, this is Anant. In this video, I will discuss about the difference between microprocessors and microcontrollers. So before going to discuss about the difference between microprocessors and microcontrollers, we will see actually what is microprocessor and what is microcontroller. So microprocessors and microcontrollers, the both terms are seem very similar to each other, but there is a huge difference between these two integrated circuits. Firstly, we will see what is microprocessor. Microprocessor is having only CPU in the chip. Only we will have CPU in the chip. Whereas microcontroller will have RAM, ROM and other peripheral devices along with CPU. So the best way to describe microcontroller is, in microcontroller, RAM, ROM and peripheral devices including microprocessor will have in microcontrollers. So both ICs have different applications and they have their own advantages and own disadvantages. So we will see the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller in different parameters. So in this we will discuss about structure, about RAM, about ROM, about peripheral interface, about bit size, about power consumption, about the applications, cost and size of each and every processor and controller. Okay, so we'll start the structure. So what is the structure of microprocessor and what is the structure of microcontroller? Already I have discussed. So in microprocessor we have only CPU. So it has only the CPU in the chip. Other devices like IO ports, memory, timer is connected externally. So in microprocessor, other devices like IO ports or memory or timers, we have to connect externally. Okay, na? So in microcontroller, we have inbuilt CPU, inbuilt memory, inbuilt IO ports. So these all are inbuilt with only one single IC. So this is the structure of microprocessor and structure of microcontroller. Next, what is RAM? So microcontroller range, RAM range is between 2 KB to 256 KB. Whereas microprocessor range of RAM is between 512 MB to 32 GB in microprocessor. Next, ROM. So ROM, microprocessor range is between 128 GB to 2 terabyte. So the range of microprocessor for ROM is 128 GB to 2 terabyte. Whereas microcontroller range is between 32 KB to 2 MB. ROM range is between 32 KB to 2 MB in microcontroller. Next we will discuss about peripheral interface. So in microprocessor, USB, UART and high speed Ethernet. So these three we will use in microprocessor as peripheral interfaces. Whereas in controller we will use I2C, SPI and UART. So this we will discuss in microcontroller topic. What is I2C, what is SPI and what is UART. So see, observe here, UART is peripheral interface for microprocessor and also microcontroller. Next we will see bit size. So microprocessor is available in 32 bit and in 64 bit. Microcontroller is available in 8 bit, 16 bit and also in 32 bit. So power consumption is high for microprocessor and power consumption is low for microcontroller. Next, applications. So we will use microprocessors in PCs, laptops, mobiles, video games. So in different gadgets we will use this microprocessor. Whereas microcontrollers we will use in washing machines and alarms. Next, cost. Cost is high to microprocessor compared to microcontroller. So microcontroller is cheaper and microprocessor is high compared to microcontroller. Size. So size is large for microprocessor and size is small for microcontroller, because we have to interface all the input output devices externally to microprocessor. So that's why the size is large, whereas inbuilt we have every input output devices timers to controller. That's why the size is small. The IC is small for controller, but the IC is bigger for microprocessor. So one more, the main difference between microprocessor and microcontroller is microprocessor, the task for microprocessor is not predefined. So not predefined for microprocessor, whereas for microcontroller it is defined. So in example, washing machine we have microcontroller, it is predefined. So we can't use another IC in washing machine. Another controller we can't use in washing machine. So that is predefined. Whereas processor is not predefined. Okay. So thank you for listening my lecture.